switch to that. Yeah, that's very cool.
It's loading.
Yep, I'm opening it. We'll have to see. Because sometimes games just won't open. You just never know until you launch a game for the first time if it's actually going to run. For sure.
Hmm.
But, let's see. I see a black screen. I see my mouse. That's a start. Now what? Oh god. I still
Is
see
it
bugs.
too is
Oh.
it too omoi for your computer?
Nah. There's no other game that was too amoy for my computer.
Okay.
It can't be. This is a gaming laptop now. Oh, there we go. It
Oh.
just took time. Oh wow. Okay, wait, what's happening? Oh, I was not expecting it to start out in a 3D, like, first person view. This shocks me.
That's
Okay.
weird. I still can't see anything.
Yeah, I'm not sharing it yet because it's full screen. I have to turn it to window mode so I can, like,
Okay.
get out of here. Okay, maybe where's the window mode? Resolution quad. Okay, windowed. Oh, it says it's in windowed. It's obviously not. I don't know why it says that. Okay, so that doesn't work. I mean, windowed mode. It's obvious. It says it's in windowed, but it's not in windowed. It's fine though, because I can use Alt Tab to get out of it and go back to OBS. But it does kind of annoy me. It basically just means that it's gonna be harder to grab. Yeah, I can't capture the window, which is what I wanted to do. Because it's easier to just capture a window. Hmm. I should have respected these things. Wait, let me put it in full. Wait, I put it in full screen mode. Switch it to windowed. Oh wait. Okay. Nope. There's just a problem with it. It's like bugs. Because when I go to full screen, it says it's full screen. Then I go to windowed, and then it's like it's trying to go to windowed, but then it turns into full screen, which it shouldn't be doing that. This is a minor problem.
That
Okay.
is slightly unfortunate.
Slightly. Not the end of the world. Okay, let me try to use game capture to grab it then. And pray that works because the only options are game capture or did it Oh, it's game capturing. Okay. Well that
Oh,
okay, that worked.
I do
I think
see
it's
it.
two. I think it's two. Two. It wasn't sized right. I have to resize it. Okay.
Oh,
Okay, the
nice.
ratio is weird, so I'm just gonna have to do it like this so it's not too big. Yeah. So this is what I'm looking at. Okay. Okay. So see, it's in oh, that was the settings. See, this is window mode didn't work. It's in windowed mode it says, but it's not. Okay,
Hmm.
I can't move. But there's like a room and I'm looking at a computer through a computer, which is cool. E stop programming. E. Wow.
Oh,
Okay.
I wish I could press that button.
E yes.
Mm.
Oh my god. I have a house. I'm a programmer now. My own house. My dream has come true. Why did he literally built a whole house? What? Okay, maybe these are like collectibles you get for programming. A bedroom for myself. Okay, sorry. I like to explore when I play games. And it's not like the scary game. It's not the ghost game, so nothing scary is gonna happen to me where I get chased and I get killed. Okay, boxes. I'm just curious if there's like something around. Okay, there's just boxes in every room. Oops.
Hmm.
Oh my god, I'm stuck. I shouldn't have went in here. I can't get out. Oh, never mind. Okay, it's cute.
That was kind of
What
cool.
the? I know. I'm actually kind of surprised he added all these empty rooms. Like, it's kind of unnecessary. But maybe they get, I don't know. Maybe they get, there's actually a lot. Feesen.
What is this thing called?
I don't know.
It's like a penny something.
It has a name? I didn't know. I thought it was like a bicycle, but weird shape. What is, why? This actually creeps me out that this is in this room like this. Imagine this is a horror game. If I saw this, I would get very scared. Because it's like I feel like a clown's gonna come riding in on it. Like, you know what I mean? Like a creepy clown. It's not normal. Okay, I'm just traumatized from phasmophobia. So, okay, double bathroom. So I'm rich.
It's called a penny farthing.
Penny farthing? I didn't know that.
Yeah.
This is actually kind of a nice house, though. It's cute.
It is.
Like a single person, you got 2 bathrooms, upstairs, downstairs. What? You contemplate the nice weather. Maybe you should go for a walk instead of programming all day. Continue walking. Oh, this is to exit the game. You actually leave the house and start walking away into the field.
That's fine.
You're right. The aesthetics are nice. I like what they did with there. Okay, well, let's check out the actual programming. See if it's any good.
Yeah. If only I could do that in real life.
Oh, wait. You make me feel sad. It's just, you can... Aw. Okay. That's Azar. Oh my god, we're looking at the game on Steam. It's like Inception. Because this is the Steam page, but in the game. It's cute. It's so funny. And this is there's the videos that we just watched. Joy programming. Oh my god. Play game. Click. Okay. Scenarios game. Level editor. Fact sheets. Oh god. Oh no! It might be copyright. The music was kind of nice though, wasn't that kind of nice?
It was.
That was cool, but no, I don't want to get copyright. It's gonna end up getting copyright on me too. I already know. Any little piece of music is copyright, but it's fine. It was actually nice though. I'm surprised. Okay.
Oh, what languages do they have?
Good question.
Do they have Japanese?
I don't even see an option. I think it's English. I don't think they
I
have
think it was
languages. You saw something?
It was in game. Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
You
Rusty.
have Chinese?
Yes.
Alright, dating the Chinese.
No. What you say? I'm doing Chinese? No. Definitely not. Okay, these are all locked. Oh, look! Open an informational YouTube video about this topic. Oh, he linked videos that he thought was helpful for learning, and then Wikipedia. Corresponding Wikipedia article. That's kind of cute. I like it. And then they have their Discord server for feedback and questions and suggestions. Bug reports. What's this?
Alright.
Menu. Visibility. He did a good job. This is actually pretty good. Okay, so I don't know if you're supposed to do scenario or game. Game, I guess. Python. Oh! Is an interpreting programming language. Learning things. Interpreter converts Python commands to machine code. Okay. Welcome.
Alright.
Okay, pan, WASD. Pan, rotate with hold right mouse. Like this. Zooms, mouse wheel. And then goals. Delivery container. Symbol. Click it. Oh god, it got complicated so fast. No wonder it said you actually have to know
the
that.
delivery door.
Find entity delivery container. Shift click to copy code from the. This is okay. Shift click, copy, deliver, open door, close door. Oh my god. Oh wow. Okay. So these are like the functions or something that are used here. I don't know.
Yeah.
What do you call these?
The methods, I guess.
Box. Container equals. I love how they explain this is what Python is, but then they just like drop you into this.
Mm-hmm.
Like they assume you don't know anything about Python, and then you're just supposed to like, oh, look at all these, the formatting, look at all the code. It's not. And they just like drop you in. That's funny. Okay, well, open the delivery door. Okay, so I have to do it through the. Let's click open door. Oh, shift to copy. So I'll just copy the open door container, delivery container dot first.
Shift
Open door.
and what?
Sesame. What'd you say?
Shift and what?
Oh, shift click, and then apparently copies this. Oh. Okay, I just shift clicked on it, and then the door opened by itself. Okay, click.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe it's like as if the code was already there if I shift click on it. I don't know. Conveyor belt. It's another entity. Increase belt speed. Move slider. Click button. I guess I'm supposed to click this. Oh! This is just showing me what I'm actually doing. This is the code. I guess later on they're gonna have you type it yourself instead of click the button, but for right now they're just having you like click these buttons instead of type out all this code. So I'm gonna take a look at it though, even though I'm probably not gonna get all of it. Conveyor belts. Huh. Does this seem really, really straightforward to you when you look at it? Because it is supposed to be easy. Very.
Yeah, I guess you don't see the definition of those methods, but yeah.
Okay.
It's just a lot of words.
Words.
Like most of it is comments if you look at that code.
That's true. The hash, yeah. Close the door. Click on this. We're gonna do this one. Oh, I just realized. You see how it's moving? Like closed door is moving in there. It's literally saying like, I don't know. It's.
Yeah, I guess
it's showing the main container dot close door is how you like make it close the door. Container. Oh yeah, this one's container dot open door. What was the conveyor belt? What did it say? Target speed. It's con dot set target speed. I see. And then the other stuff is like more flavor, so you have like a better idea of how to use it in context. This code. But the only thing that matters is the part that is bouncing around, and I just realized that right now. Deliver the box. That's actually not too bad. Right now, it's not. But eventually, they're gonna have you like typing everything. This is interesting. Oh, deliver.
Deliver.
I didn't shift click there. I just clicked on it, so you can just. I guess you don't have to shift click. I'm a professional. I am now qualified to work for a company coding Python for them because I can click the button.
Wonderful.
First steps. I wasn't expecting this to be so interesting. This is very interesting. I think it is. Like, wow. Okay. That was just, I guess, the introduction. Right click in the code editor to see a context menu with further options. Right click. Undo, redo, copy paste, show help, more. Okay. It sounds like that's a loading screen. Automate what you did in the first tutorial. Start the conveyor belt, open the door, wait for the barrel to arrive, close the door, deliver. Oh, okay, so they're going to show the code window, but the codes are going to be there. Toggle coding mode. Read the code, okay. Try to see that it will repeat the steps you executed manually in the first tutorial. Oh. It's perfectly fine if you do not understand all the details yet. Run the code once you're ready. Oh, it's cute. Oh, introducing comments. This isn't too bad. I thought this was going to be, like, really horrible. I thought it was going to be, like, just throw, actually, like, a lot of, like, intermediate code and just, it's like, you know it or come back later. I'm actually surprised. Always required.
Although we don't see the definition of conveyor belt, I feel like
Oh.
the names of the methods are fairly straightforward, I guess.
That's good.
Like, yeah.
Variable pointing conveyor belt convert. Yes, this is kind of weird. Next two lines of code are always required. Oh, always required. Oh, this. I see. It's just part of how he set things up.
Mm.
I wonder what this is actually happening with these two lines. Like he's taking other stuff.
Yeah, I guess like the definitions of conveyor belt and the delivery container and all that stuff are coming from whatever pie job.
Ah, that's why it needs to be import. Oh, cool. Cool.
I'm not sure what the second line does, but it does something apparently. I don't know.
Wow. Okay. Good job.
It connects to the sim ends.
Oh, this is part of the game too. Simulated environment probably. Connect to the current level. Run the main loop. Okay. Oh, and look at the little examples. Cute.
Sim end dot. I mean.
Okay.
It looks good.
It's cute. Variable pointing to the conveyor belt. Oh, this positive, negative, backwards. Okay. Variable pointing to delivery container. Oh wait, this one was a variable too. This is the name of the variable. Where to define? Okay.
So that find is what's called what's the word for it? It's called a class method. It's a method belonging.
You should probably do it like that. Oh no, I was just changing the speed from like 1.5 to 8K. I think that's a good speed.
Amazing.
Thank you. Anyway, it's delivery container.
So this is maybe a slightly subtle point, but the on lines 7 and 13.
Oh, you saw something?
They're about. Sorry.
I don't know why it sounded like you said they're both thick.
Oh, really?
What'd you say?
Actually, on lines 7 and 13.
Yeah.
We're instantiating or we're creating an instance of a class, right? So there's a conveyor belt class.
Okay. So this is the class, right? The one that's in blue?
Yeah. Okay. And we're basically creating an instance of that class, and we call that like an object.
Oh, nice. Okay, I was really hoping you were going to say that, because I was like, isn't that an object?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah, exactly.
C# can do that too, which is nice. Like, you can also...
Yeah.
And an object just is like something that contains all the data from the class, and you just put it in something, I guess.
Yeah.
So like that. Nice. So this.
Yeah. All object-oriented programming languages are kind of like that. But the dot find method is what's called a class method.
Ah. Okay.
I don't know if they have the same terminology in C# or something.
Wait, I'm gonna change. I thought I was gonna do this for a second, but actually it's really fun, so I'm gonna be doing it for longer. Slightly, or at least as long as you're here. I'm gonna switch my stream category now that we move past our urban Japanese planning. I'm gonna go to programming, because if we're lucky, I don't know, you're just like really lucky. Honestly, that's really what it is. But if the luck stays the same, we could get some actual programmers in here. Or people who are learning Python. That'd be cool. Because Twitch does have a coding category, so time to go. Wait, what is all this? Coding Day is a category. I guess that's the name of it. What's the category? Oh, programming is probably what its name is, not coding. I didn't think about that. Okay, maybe not. They do have a category. I don't remember its name. If it's not coding or not programming, what would its name be? Okay, I'm gonna Google it, because...
Bingo, what is name-o?
Yes! What is? Because I've visited it before and I've seen like people programming in there. What is the Twitch category for programming? What? Oh wait. No, maybe this is outdated. Oh wait, software and game development. Oh wait, I'm not really developing anything right now. Oh, that's it. But that's fair, right? That's close to what this is about. It was like learning how to. I think it's fine. I'm gonna go into that category.
Wait, what was the name of the category?
Software and game development. That's the closest.
Yeah,
Well, that's what I want to learn to do. So I gotta learn it somehow, which means just learning how to basic code skills. You know. I should change the name now to just Python coding game. We'll just keep that now. Oh, wait, I guess I can use its real name now that I know it's called Joy of Programming.
Maybe random Python coding game.
Yeah, now that I know its actual name, maybe that's what I called it earlier. Yeah, maybe random Python coding game. Anyway, you're giving me some fantastic information. So this is the class. And then we're creating an instance of the class. This is one of the class methods. What do you say?
Yeah. So,
Fine.
I guess what I'm trying to say is that the
This is cool.
in Python, these class methods are usually used to like instantiate or create an instance of the class. So delivery container dot find,
Cool.
that like the output, or yeah, basically that like spawns a new object. But in, for example, line 16,
yes.
Those methods like open door and close door and stuff, they belong specifically to that object, like to the specific instance of the class, not to all container objects. So it's like
that's right. And objects function like this across languages, right? This is a good review because I think so. It sounds very familiar.
Yeah, it's the typical like object-oriented style.
I forgot object-oriented program. When I first learned about how like classes become objects, it was like really confusing. But then I realized it's like really cool. Like I like it. I think it's cool. It's a cool concept.
It is cool.
It just like makes things neat, packaging things into like little containers like that. It's very nice.
Some people hate object-oriented programming.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay.
How many people are like that? Because this is the main preferred style for, most things now, right? For most programmers, to be.
Yeah. Some people are opinionated.
Oh, okay. Interesting. There's no one, or do you think there's people out there that feel so strongly that they're like, I will never, ever do object-oriented programming? Like, no one like that, though, right? Just people who just don't like it, maybe?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just imagining.
I'm inclined to believe that people will do anything for money, so.
Aha. Okay, there you go. We're on the same page there. I'm inclined as well. Agreed. Open delivery door. Open door. Sleep. Oh, that's interesting. Delay. So I noticed, well, at least for this one that says sleep, this isn't like being called from the object, I guess. It's not. So this isn't a class, what you said? Class this one's different.
It isn't attached to any object or.
I'm guessing sleep comes from this thing that's being imported, the PyJob for the game.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
In normal Python, there's a library called time, and there's a method time.sleep. So it could be that PyJob could be getting it from that time library, or it could be using its own sleep. I'm not sure.
What would time.sleep, like the normal one in Python, even do? Is it like giving?
Yeah.
Just
basically the same thing as just wait. Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Got you. Oh wow, automatically scaled with sim environment time dilation. Oh lord. Oh my god, I'm getting flashbacks to Unity because there was this whole thing that they talked about time dilation, and it just like really hurt to think about. So basically, I don't remember the details because a while ago, but there was this weird thing that happened when you were making a game. It was essentially like the speed you think things should be moving at or something. If I go back into Unity, it's going to come up again because it's really important. So it's definitely going to show up. And if I get the details, I'll share the scoop with you because it's pretty interesting though. But time dilation was a part of it, and it was basically like stuff doesn't move at the time you expect it to, which creates bugs and problems with the game not functioning the way it's intended. And then you have to adjust settings with like the time dilation for some reason. It has to do with, I don't know why this happens. I don't know why you have to do this. Why, I don't understand why 1 second isn't actually equivalent to 1 second. It was really weird. But it just reminds, just seeing this reminds me of that. Unless you specify, ignore time dilation. This word, just in general, time dilation, what does it even make you think of when you hear, oh, time dilation? Just general meaning, it's like time that's like inflated, like there's too much time and then you have to adjust it, or?
So this word time dilation is also used in physics, like in relativity.
The thing I will say, the thing about the whole time dilation in Unity, it was related to the physics engine. It's because the physics engine doesn't function properly unless something with that's adjusted, and it was so freaking confusing. So it probably is related. Sorry. Anyway, I'm listening to what you're saying.
Oh, it's like a word used in relativity to describe like, for example, if someone is moving, for example, their clock or the way they perceive time is slightly slowed compared to the like a stationary observer.
Oh, we're going back into relative. Oh my god.
Yeah.
We're going. This is crazy. How did we get back to this again? Does everything go back to all the same things? Relativity.
Yeah.
Meter per second. Per second. Per second. Per second. Okay. I was thinking about that again from earlier. Okay. 8. Okay. Wow. 7 seconds.
Yeah, I don't know the details of time dilation in this game, but maybe it has something to do with the fact that the simulator.
Oh yeah, because they're using physics with the simulator.
The simulator cannot simulate time in real time or something like that. Maybe it could be something like that because it takes extra time for the simulator to process something. But I don't know the details.
That's what it was. Oh my god, you're so good. You haven't even made a game, and yet you figured. I remember now because you're triggering all these memories to come back. This is a good thing, I think, but also PTSD. But you know what? That's what it was. So the reason why time doesn't move the way it's supposed to in the settings, the way you would expect, so you have to adjust, is because the processing that the computer has to do, something like that. The computer has to calculate all these different physics interactions, and because of that, it ends up creating delay, where it's not moving in real time or something. That just, it reminds me. Oh my god. I'm glad you said that. Okay, so something is clearly going on related to that here too. Because this is also a game. And I wouldn't be surprised if this was made in Unity. Probably is. This is cool. Okay, so, but it's interesting that they said that wait, where did we even talk about the time dilation? How did I get to the sleep, maybe? Oh, here.
Yeah, the documentation or something. Yeah, I guess so it is their own sleep function. They kind of modified it or whatever.
Okay, I see. This is cool. Okay, well, I'm gonna run it now when I'm at all the things.
I think I might quit after running this. I'm getting sleepy.
Okay, this sounds good. Time for me to stop too, because I need to sleep. But thank you so much. Wait, I set it to 8,000. That is not 8,000. You saw this. This is not 8,000. This is the same speed. It lied to me.
Maybe the
Set a max.
set speed function doesn't do exactly what you think it does. Like maybe it has a sanity check.
Sanity
so,
check.
Make sure the speed isn't insane.
Oh, they probably do a. Is it too high? And if not, then just set it to this. Stupid. I feel cheated.
Maybe.
Cause you know it would have been funny if this moved at 8,000 times the speed it was supposed to, and then like I don't know, it glitched out. It would be hilarious. It was worth trying. But the dev probably thought people would mess around like this. Alright, well, okay then. That's cool. Well, I don't think I'll refund the game. Good to know. This game seems worth it. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure how many things there are to solve, but I just want to get to the missiles, to be honest. To learn the important life skills. Like, that's why everyone learns Python. That's why you learn Python, right? So you would learn how to target things, missiles.
Yeah.
With code.
Absolutely.
Heck yes. So I don't know if this game was autosave or not. Oh, okay. Well, I'll go finish. Because this is probably going to save the game. Main menu, yeah. Okay.
Alright.
Oh my god. Thank you so much. Thank you for reading with me. I hope you pick up that book, because it's really cool. I have so much
fun. I will. If I decide to brave the heat, it's hot.
Don't die from heat stroke. Trust me. Really, it's not worth it. I would know. Don't do it.
Like a 15-minute walk from where I live, because our city has good urban planning.
Lucky. Let's go urban planning though, because that's the theme. That was the whole theme of this anyway. This whole stream was urban planning, geography. I learned so much today. This is awesome. I did not think this is awesome. I learned geography. I learned some physics, some things about the concepts of physics.
Yeah, things about like gravity.
Now I'm like really excited to like get into these things. So fun. Anyway, you're awesome. I hope you have a great sleep.
Thanks. You too.
Thank you. Okay.
Alright.
Good night. And bye everyone if anyone's still here. Bye.
Bye.
Cool stream. Bye.